All right, welcome back, friends. We are going to continue working on our measurement unit this week. So last week we were looking at objects and we were using your linking cubes, or in your case, your paper linking cubes, to measure how long things were. So today we're going to be looking at some squares and some rectangles. And on your paper, they kind of look like gardens. And we're going to measure how many paper clips is what we're going to use. How many paper clips it takes to go around the whole square or the whole rectangle. Now, kind of like with the cubes, it's going to be, it says about how many. My paper clips that I have are big paper clips. Your paper clips might be smaller. So if I measure something and it's one paper clip on that side, yours might be two because yours might be smaller than mine, but I only have big ones with me right now. If they're big, that's fine. If they're small, that's fine. That's why we're saying about. It just depends upon which type of paper clip you use. So if we look at this orange rectangle, we want to know how many paper clips it takes to go the entire way around the rectangle. So because we're not in the classroom and I can't stick things on our board, what we're going to do is we're going to do it a little bit differently. So we're going to measure, and then I'm going to write the number next to it so we know, and then we'll count at the end how many paper clips. When you have your paper, you'll be able to lay it flat, and then you'll be able to measure around with the paper clips, but if I hold it up, they're going to fall. So we're going to do it this way, and let's practice. So let's start with the orange one, and let's see how many it takes on this side. So that takes one paper clip. See, it's about the same length as the paper clip. So next to that side, I'm going to write the number 1. And then I'm going to go to the bottom, and let's see how many paper clips it takes to line the bottom. So you have 1. Then there's more room, so we're going to try another one. 2. So it takes about 2 paper clips for the bottom. Good. So I'm going to write the number 2. And we'll do the side again. 1. And the top is 2. That's a very silly looking shape, Mrs. Carmody. So I am going to now adjust the camera. Oh, this might work. All right. So we have 1. That ends 2. 1. And 2. So now we're going to count how many paper clips it took to go around the rectangle. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So underneath my rectangle, I put 6. So about 6 paper clips it took to go around the orange rectangle. Now I want you to look at the teal square that I have here. And the teal square, is it bigger or is it smaller than the orange rectangle? Good, it's bigger. So because it's bigger, do you think it's going to use more paper clips or do you think it will use less? Good, if you said more, awesome, awesome job. So I have my paper clips. And we are going to see how many paper clips it takes to go. So I'm going to start at the bottom. So 1, 2. 2 on the bottom. Let's see how many on the side. 1, 2. So it's a little bit more, but I'm going to count that as about 3 because 2, it was way too short. And that's why we're going to say about, because it's not perfect like if we were to use a ruler, but we're just going to do an about today. So that says about 3. 1, 2 for the top. Let's do this side again. 2 and 3. All right, so I'm going to move my extra paper clips. actually, paper clips are going all the way around. So let's count how many paper clips we used. We'll start right here. 1, 2, hold on. I'll use the purple one so we can see where we're pointing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So on the line, I'm gonna write 10. So we have 6 and we have 10. So which used more? Were you right? You said that teal one would need more. You did an awesome job. All right, so on your paper, you're gonna use your paper clips and you're gonna look at the different size gardens and you're gonna go around the garden with the paper clip. You might use a little more, you might use a little less, depending upon the size and then depending upon the size of your paper clips. Let me know if you need any help. Talk to you soon. Bye.